Hello everybody, it's Miss Cameron from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and today we're making a super fun summer activity. We are making sponge bombs! So, you can do lots of fun things with these. We're gonna start with the materials. It's very simple. You're just gonna need some sponges, and ones that don't have a rough side, just a normal sponge, some scissors, and some elastics. We're using tiny hair elastics, but regular elastics will work as well. Alrighty, so our first step is to cut each sponge into thirds. There we go, so each sponge will be like this. Okay, so I have my 3 sponges cut up into thirds. For each sponge bomb, you can use 9 strips, but you can experiment with however many you want to use. So you're gonna stack them all up and get your elastic bands. The opportunities are endless. Experiment with the different ways you can play with your sponge bombs. Have fun!